And hi, I'm Jody Fehrenbacher with Team McClintock. We are here at Thyme in the Kitchen, right down in the heart of Evansville on Franklin Street. We're going to take a look at some of my favorite things, and I'm into the farmhouse charm. So if any of you have been watching HGTV or keeping up with some of the trends out there, I am in love with my first favorite thing, and it is a cookie jar. And right underneath the Christmas tree is where you keep the cookies. So you kind of have them hidden from the kiddos, but it's all in a lot of fun right there. So if you just look at some of the things, if you're going to have a small gathering this year, I'm really into platters, holiday platters, and just little gift sets that really tell somebody, if you're going to have them over, tells them thank you for having me. And knowing that we're not eating out as much, so I have put on my apron to make sure I don't get anything on me so I can look great for the holidays. And speaking of great for the holidays, another one of my favorite things are the soaps. These are fabulous. Michael Design Works are my absolute favorite soaps to have in the powder bath and just in the kitchen. They smell so good. They even have little gift sets here. So as we move on, here are some other platters and things that I just like having sit out. It just says it's homey, it's cozy here, and it's just a lot of fun. If we come over here, like I said, I'm into the aprons because we are cooking at home a lot. You have such a selection of wonderful aprons. How fun is this? It puts everybody in the mood for Christmas. Anything from Watch Me Jingle to Jesus is the reason for the season. So it's all right there. As we come to my next favorite thing, who doesn't love polka dots? I have 3 girls at home. Almost everything in their closets are polka dotted. So if you're into the festive holiday colors of just the classic red and white, it's all right here. And just look at this tray. To have your cookies, your cheeses out, I just love this. And if you're into stocking stuffers and gift giving, I have absolutely decided these are my favorite things. They're called Salt Sisters, and you have anywhere from dips that you can just add sour cream or any kind of creamy item. You have your herb blends, and you have your rubs. These go great as a stocking stuffer. So we are at Thyme in the Kitchen here on Franklin Street. How can you shop here and stay safe? I would be wearing my mask, but because of this video, they've allowed me to take it off. We are shopping either curbside, by appointment only. If your schedule's crazy this time of year or you just want to avoid the crowds, feel free to call Thyme in the Kitchen and they'll set up a private appointment just for you before or after hours to make sure you're the only one in the store. So we hope you've enjoyed Thyme in the Kitchen and have a safe holiday.